For this exercise, we'll be working with the customers collection we created in a previous section. With Studio 3T open and connected to MongoDB Atlas, expand the sales database node in the connection tree. Right-click the customers collection and click Open Aggregation Editor. The Aggregation Editor is divided into two sections. The top section provides a workspace for building your aggregation, setting statement options, and viewing the final query code. The bottom section displays query results when you run your aggregation. On the Pipeline tab in the upper section, click the Add button to add a new stage to the pipeline. The bottom section is where the query results from this stage are displayed. It's divided into two panes. Stage Input displays the results up to but not including the current stage, while Stage Output displays the results up to and including the current stage. The top section provides an editor for adding the expression passed to the operator, pre-populated with a placeholder and a set of curly braces that will enclose the expression. By default, the match operator is selected in the Filter drop-down menu. Only documents that match the specified conditions will be included in the pipeline. Let's use the match operator to filter our results. Delete the placeholder and type the following expression. The expression specifies that the address.state field value must equal California for that document to be returned. In the Stage Input pane, click the Execute button to show the pipeline results up to but not including this stage. In the Stage Output pane, click the Execute button to see how the results change once this stage is also included in the pipeline. The results in the Stage Input pane should include all 1,000 documents in the Customers collection, while the results in the Stage Output pane should only include documents whose address.state value is California. The total comes to 94 documents. These documents will be passed to the next stage. And you'll notice there's no need to include the match operator itself, only its expression. The Aggregation Editor puts all the pieces together for you. We can confirm this in the Query Code tab. The tab displays the aggregate statement as defined up to this point, including the match operator and its expression. You'll also see the aggregate statement includes the Allow Disk Use option set to false. If the option was set to true, aggregation operations could write the _temp subdirectory in the db path directory. You can set this and other options in the Options tab. Go to the Pipeline tab. Each time you insert a stage, it is added to the pipeline and reflected on this tab. The Stage 1 row should show the match operator and its expression. On the Aggregation Editor's toolbar, click the Execute button. The query will run in its current state and display the results in the Pipeline Output pane. Leave the Aggregation Editor and the first stage in place for the next exercise.